Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day as we continue to explore the world of luxury handbags with a special unboxing. Yay, fun! I'm thrilled to share with you a highly coveted piece from DeMellier, the Vancouver. This particular bag is in tan color, small grain leather with across stitching. It's the latest addition to my bag collection and priced at a very reasonable £385. It's a bag that's well within everybody's reach. By the way, I just want to say that this video is not sponsored by DeMellier. No one is paying me, so you can trust this is my honest, unbiased opinion. Known for their exquisite craftsmanship and timeless designs, DeMellier has created a buzz in the fashion world. So I've had my eye on this bag for a little while now. And I'm thrilled that we can experience the unboxing of this iconic bag together. So, without further ado, let's dive into this package and discover what makes the Vancouver handbag truly extraordinary. The Vancouver immediately captivates with its rich chestnut brown leather that exudes sophistication and versatility. The premium cowhide leather with subtle shine and across stitching is sourced responsibly, showcasing DeMellier's dedication to both aesthetics and ethical practices. The soft, small-grain texture of the leather not only adds a touch of opulence but also promises durability, ensuring that this handbag will stand the test of time. The bottom line is, this bag can suffer the occasional scrape and scratch without breaking your heart or ruining its overall appearance. The classic gold-toned hardware accents provide a luxurious contrast, elevating the overall elegance of the bag. However, I must just say that although the hardware looks great, I can see some tiny scratches already appearing. But then again, I don't know of any bags where that doesn't happen. Maybe you do. If you do, please let us all know in the comments. Beyond its stunning appearance, this bag is designed with the modern woman in mind. To begin with, the bag is lightweight and the spacious interior is lined with a black cotton fabric, creating a gentle but heart-wearing environment for your belongings. It has one big compartment and a slip pocket in front, plus a zippered pocket on the inside for valuables. Okay, what can I carry with this bag? I can easily fit my sunglasses, my little wallet, AirPods, handphone, keys, and lipstick inside. What I love about this bag is that it has a secure lid and a strong clasp to ensure the security of your valuables when you're out and about. And now, let's talk about the measurements. The bag has a rectangular shape. The top and the base width are about 23 centimeters or 9 inches, with a height of 18 centimeters or 7 inches. The depth of the bag is about 7 cm or 3 inches. The strap is adjustable and the length varies from a minimum of 106 cm or 42 inches and a maximum of 116 cm or 45 inches. For me personally, at a petite 155 cm or 5'1", I find the minimum length is a perfect fit for me. I also noticed DeMellier don't mention in their description that this bag also can be carried as a top handle bag, but that is most definitely an option and a major plus. Before I go on, it really helps the channel if you can like, subscribe, and activate the notifications button so you never miss any of our content. Now, back to the Vancouver. One of the standout features of the Vancouver is its versatility in styling. Whether you're heading to a business meeting, a weekend brunch, or a glamorous evening event, this handbag effortlessly transitions from day to night. The classic silhouette and neutral tan hue make it a timeless accessory that complements a wide range of outfits. Carry it by the top handle for a polished look or use the adjustable shoulder strap for a more relaxed and hands-free approach. I can see this is going to become my absolute favorite. What truly sets the DeMellier Vancouver apart is the meticulous attention to detail. The embossed DeMellier logo on the front discreetly showcases the brand's mark of authenticity and quality craftsmanship. Every stitch, every seam speaks to the dedication and passion poured into creating this masterpiece. Can you tell I'm a fan? As we conclude our unboxing journey, we cannot help but marvel at the elegance and sophistication that the DeMellier Vancouver exudes. From the faultless craftsmanship to the thoughtful design details, this handbag is a true testament to the brand's commitment to quality and luxury. If you enjoyed this unboxing as much as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion adventures. Let us know in the comments below what you think of DeMellier Vancouver. Is it a must-have for your collection? Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay stylish and keep embracing the beauty of luxury fashion. See you in the next video. Bye!